Each year, we hold our Welcome to Kinder event on each campus to welcome new families and new students of current families to our kindergarten classrooms. One of the most important things about this event is that families feel prepared to send their student to school on the very first day. Hi, Nicholas! How are you? Come on in! They'll get to meet their school principal, the family and community engagement coordinator, and kinder teachers.
The first letter should be a capital letter and the rest should be all lowercase.
We spend some time introducing all of our special programs, what makes our school unique, and what makes our district a great place to send their student. Today, we're doing a scavenger hunt.
We found a TV, good job, we found a TV.
And also, we're doing a read aloud of Our Class is a Family.
We're a classroom family.
Students will get a kit of books, materials, school supplies to take home with them to begin practicing so they're ready on the first day of school.
Good job, and your legs.
We want to make sure that families understand how we represent kindness in our classrooms. Our focus on equity across our district and the way that we make sure to celebrate all of our community students, staff, and families.
They can see all of the hard work that your students already did even before they started kindergarten.